with Matthew. We got him helping me out. Check out these roads. We got the machine back there, but you can't see because it's too fogged up. So I'll get back with you when we get to the job. Alright, just got here, got the trailer unloading. Gotta plow this, and then it goes around to the other side. And then should be done here pretty quickly. Maybe like 35 minutes, 40 minutes. Alright. Alright, just finished up over there. Now we're heading to the next one. Just filled up. Alright. Huh? Did you get it out? The other house, it's right 2 houses down. We're gonna get this one all cleared up now. Now it's dark outside. We got Matthew over there unloading the trailer. We gotta get this one undone. Oh, that is way heavier now that it's got snow all over it. Ready to go. Oh, we get to use the light bar. We got Matthew over there shoveling. It's about 6 p.m. We started at 10, so it's going pretty good. Dark outside now, as you can see. We got 2 more for right now, and then we got a bunch more tomorrow morning. So, alright, I'm gonna finish this up and we'll get back with you. Alright guys, we're at the last house of tonight. Got that driveway right there. And then tomorrow we have to come back to this neighborhood and do 2 more plus this one. They just wanted to get some done now. So, last one of tonight, then early tomorrow morning we have all the ones that I did today plus a few more. So let's get to plowing. All right, we're gonna get this thing unloaded real quick. Feels so late, but it's not late at all. In the summertime, we'd have 3 more hours left of sunlight. But tomorrow morning, it wouldn't be light out anyway, so that's all right. Tomorrow, we got one that's kind of far away. I guess their plow got canceled on them, so we're gonna go ahead and do that for them. All right, we gotta go to this house right here. Guys, we got the trailer stuck in my house, so we're gonna get it undone with a skid steer. What's up? Just open the thing. That's it. Here, watch out. On the other side. No. if you need, just put it in neutral. Is the camera on?
Sure.
Yeah. Is the camera on?
Yeah.
All right.
You don't want reverse?
Let me try this first. Got it. All right, he's moving the truck. I had to clear out my driveway some now so I can park. It's day 2. We're back out here. It's like 8 a.m. The snow just stopped, so we're gonna go and start plowing. Check it out. Got a lot of snow. I don't even think we got this much snow last year, so this will be good. Alright, I'll see you guys when we get to the first job. This job we had to park out on the main road, so we're gonna see how that goes. It's a pretty big driveway. You gotta unload and hopefully we don't get hit. They got a lot of fallen branches here. They need me to come out and cut some trees. So we just finished up over at that house right there, and then the neighbor said that they needed a plow, so now we're plowing theirs too. we're at the next one, just getting unloaded now. Lunchtime.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Me too.
Let me crawl over the...
We're gonna eat at Culver's.
I'm about to munch up.
Alright guys, we'll get back to you when we get done with Culver's. Alright, so we just got to this job and it's really far away. It's like 45 to an hour away, and it's gonna be worth it though. It's a really big driveway. So we're out here, you can see. It's a gravel driveway, so I'm gonna show you guys in a second. We just got some free hot chocolate from the customers, and it's getting spilled everywhere.
Okay, that's not my fault.
It's not very good. Yeah, and she just spilled mine everywhere.
I did not!
On the ground, so. Alright guys, we just got back. It's super late, and we're just finishing up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And in the next video, we should be cutting down some more trees, I believe. So, alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.